Well, that's usually how it works, Ricky.
Sitting there, watching Haley, I started to see what Ricky saw in her. She was nice, friendly. It almost made you completely forget about...
Oh.
What's the matter?
that nose.
I'm gonna sneeze.
It was horrible. It was like battening down for a hurricane. Heading for the storm cellar during a tornado.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
Well, we gotta be going.
It was nice meeting you.